Make sure you have all necessary tools to proceed. The PaxLock installation requires only hand tools. A power tool is required only for preparing the door. Check if the spindle requires cutting down to meet the door width. If the door has not yet been cut for the lock set, this work should be carried out by a qualified carpenter or using a door mortising jig. Make sure to use the provided template or the door jig, purchased separately, to line the drilling holes up on the door. Mark the T-nut position. The T-nut is used to assist preventing any rotational twisting under heavy load. First, drill a hole using a 5mm drill bit. Hammer the T-nut into the door. The nut's flange should sit flat on the door. It is recommended to turn the M4 screw enough to be flush against the surface, then one more 1/2 to 3/4 turn. Remove the holding screws. Clip the spindle into the chassis of the front section. The locking pin should clip solidly into the location hole. Ensure the spindle is locked into the chassis before proceeding. Pull the front of the PaxLock Pro away from the chassis. Fit the wires through the corresponding openings. Adjust the handle to the correct orientation and secure the front chassis. Feed the wires and install the through bolts. Put the supplied tubes over the wires and the through bolts to protect them. Feed the tubes and spindle through the door holes. Remove the tubes and fit the rear chassis, threading the wires through the corresponding holes. Thread the wires through the nuts and tighten onto the bolts. Do not use power tools and do not over-tighten the nuts. Screw in the wood screw. Feed the wires to the corresponding terminals and close them. You will hear a click. Tuck any excess wire under the circuit board. Install 4 AA batteries. You should hear 2 short beeps. Clip the compartment cover. Put the rear of the PaxLock Pro in place and secure it using the provided screws. Tighten the grub screws on both handles. Place the cover over the handle and click into position. Note down the serial number on the back of the cover.